Action cameras keep getting smaller, but this new model from TriLife manages to pack a surprising number of features into a tiny body. Called the AulGo, it's designed for people who want an easy way to capture adventures without carrying around a bulky camera. Whether you're hiking, cycling, skiing, or just exploring outdoors, it's built to be small enough to take almost anywhere. The AulGo records 4K video using a Sony IMX486 image sensor and also captures 12-megapixel photos. It offers several shooting modes, including time-lapse, giving you more creative options straight out of the box. To help keep your footage smooth, it features 6-axis electronic image stabilization, making it easier to record while walking, riding, or taking part in other fast-moving activities. Built-in noise reduction also helps improve audio quality from the onboard microphone. Connecting the camera to your smartphone is simple, thanks to Wi-Fi support. You can quickly transfer videos and photos, preview your shots, and even start or stop recording remotely. Even though the camera is incredibly compact, it still includes 4 physical buttons for quick controls and a small rear display so you can check your framing and settings without needing your phone. Its dual lens design also gives it a distinctive and stylish look. One of its most interesting features is the magnetic base, allowing the camera to attach to metal surfaces for unique shooting angles. It also comes with a removable base that doubles as a built-in stand, making it useful for vlogging, time-lapse, or hyperlapse recordings. Another handy feature is its ability to function as a dash cam by continuously recording and overwriting older footage when needed. Power comes from a 500 mAh battery, which provides up to an hour of recording on a full charge. For longer sessions, you can connect a power bank and keep filming. Storage is handled through a micro SD card, so expanding capacity is as easy as inserting a larger card. Overall, the AulGo looks like a strong entry-level action camera with a thoughtful mix of features, portability, and convenience. It's currently being offered through a crowdfunding campaign at a discounted launch price of $199, significantly lower than its planned retail price of $358. Like any crowdfunding project, there's always some risk involved, but TriLife has successfully delivered previous photography products. According to the company, worldwide shipping is expected to begin in November, with delivery costs to be finalized once the crowdfunding campaign ends.